Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we will be reviewing freeCodeCamp's web development curriculum. I don't know what part we're in, but today we will be building a cat Photoshop app. Let's get started. Okay, cat photo app. Cat photos. Everyone loves cute cats online. Okay, start coding. Step 1. In this workshop, you will continue working with basic HTML elements with headings, paragraphs, and leads by building a cat Photoshop app. Sorry, cat photo app, not Photoshop app. Pardon me. Begin the workshop by adding an H1 element with the text of cat photo app. Okay. The first we have to do opening tag. After that, we will be adding the text and we will be then a closing tag. Boom. Dang. Let's go. Let's review the step 2. Okay, in step 2, I have been instructed to add an H2 element with the text cat photos. Okay, here we go. H2 cat photos. Ah, shit. Sorry for the mistakes, but I'm not quite good at typing. Okay, now we're in step 3. Create a paragraph element below your H2 element and give it the following text. Okay, boom. After that, everyone LOVS. Closing tag. Oops, I made a typing mistake. Sorry for the interruptions, man. I'm trying to learn Photoshop so I can be cutting the videos with minimum efforts. I'm not good at Photoshop as well. I hope I'm gonna get better so I can remove this and not upload a single file like 20 minutes file where sometime I'm making mistakes in my speeches and my typing skills. I hope you guys don't mind. Okay, in step 4, I've been instructed to commenting allows you to leave messages without affecting the browser display. It also allows you to make code inactive. A comment in HTML starts with okay and contains any number of lines of text and ends with okay. Okay, so commenting means I can like a message like to myself. Sometimes when we use WhatsApp, you can message yourself like something for this is also something like that too. So I'm not sure to do remove h1. Okay, add the comment above p element okay with the text to add a link to cat photos. Okay, it's like a reminder. It's like a reminder, so we don't forget. We don't forget. Uh, what is a add link to cat photos? Then we're gonna be using the closing tag. Okay, I have a question. When we're in comment, is it called closing tag? Let's just chat GPT for that. Ah, I remember. Okay, sorry, your code does not pass. You're getting there. Add link to cat photos. Did I miss something? Okay, I missed a space. Sometimes a space might be what you're looking for in your code. See? Okay, we're in step 5 where HTML5 has some elements that identify different content areas. These elements make your HTML easier to read and help with search engine optimization (SEO). What does SEO even mean? And accessibility. The main element is used to represent the main content of an HTML document. Content inside the main element should be unique to the document and should not be repeated in other parts of the document. Example code. Okay, main. Okay, I quite didn't understand any of this. um, I hope you guys will understand. Why am I saying you guys? I hope you will understand. HTML5 has some elements that identify different content areas. These elements make your HTML easier to read and help with search engine optimization. Reading it again and again won't give me an age. Okay, identify the main section of this page by adding a main opening tag before h1 element. And okay, so I got it. Main, then after that term. Step 6. In the previous step you put h1 h2 comment and the p elements inside the main element. This is called nesting. Okay, so when we put like paragraph groups, h1 h2 element or a comment in a main element inside of the main element, it is called nesting. Nested elements should be placed two space farther. Okay, nested elements should be okay. Here in the example we can see that main is before two spaces, like the opening tag here. You can see that the h1 and the p element is after two spaces in the following example code, as well as the closing tag. So this should not be like this, but what is happening on the seventh line of code? Like, I'm not understanding quite right now. Shouldn't it be like this? Boom boom boom. I'm not understanding. Then why did it approve AJ? As we can see that it is now aligning perfectly, but why did my code pass? I don't even know. In the to-do, when I didn't even include a space, it didn't work. In here I didn't include space, but it still worked. If you know why, please help me in the comment. I'm gonna publish it in YouTube. I'm trying to learn coding, so if I'm making mistakes, pardon me. The H2 element and the comment are indented 2 spaces before the main element in the code below. Use the space bar to okay, I got it. It told me to align it, so it was a test. I thought I should have read the whole thing. The H1 element, H2 element and the comment are indented 2 spaces before the main element in the code below. Use the space bar on your keyboard to add 2 spaces. Okay, so this was the test. I thought something different. I have to do something different. Sorry for wasting your time. You can add images to your website by using image element. From the previous lectures I've seen, if we use image element, there should be an src element too. I'm not getting it, but okay, first we're gonna read the whole thing before assuming anything. You can add images to your website by using the image element. Image elements have an opening tag without a closing tag. An element without a closing tag is known as void element. Yes, I've learned it from the lecture as well. Add an image element below the p element. Okay, image element. At this point, no image will show. Okay, do I need to create an src, or do I need to add a closing tag or something? Let's try. Okay, I don't need to add a closing tag. Okay, yes, image src. So the lectures were usual as they said. HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tag of an element to control the element's behavior. Okay. The src attribute, so the src, these are called attributes. I didn't know that. The src attribute in an image element specifies the image URL where the image is located. Here is an example of an image element with an src attribute pointing to the freeCodeCamp logo. Inside the existing image element, add a src attribute to the with this URL https cdn freeCodeCamp org. Okay, got it. Dang, man. Why am I having a lot of typo? I put a lot of effort in my typing skill as well. I'm disappointed. See, free code camp dot org. Org, then a / curly column and another / cat photo app / then relaxing. I hope I didn't miss. Okay, I forgot something. Now it's complete. I hope everything is okay. Yes. To the next step. Step 9. All image elements should have an alt attribute. The alt attribute's text is used for screen readers to improve accessibility and is displayed if the image fails to load. Okay. Okay. So it's like a backup system. So if the image does not show, the text will show in an easier way. They should have used the easier wording, as we the people who are learning, we uh, as our second language is English, not our first language, it is hard for our to use this kind of language. I'm messing up my uh, doesn't matter. Here is an example of an image element with an alt attribute. Image search equals cat. Okay. Inside the image element, add an alt attribute. Okay, alt attribute. Here. Alt. Done. And what did I do wrong? Oh shit. I used the example code. A cute orange cat lying on its back. Yes. I hope. Yes. It worked. Step 10. You can link to another page with the anchor element. What's an A element? The A HTML element, what? Or anchor element with its herbs attribute creates an hyperlink to web pages, files, email address, location in the same page. Ah, again complications, words. Give me I want an example, man. Give me an example that would be much more easier. Like here, example code. I can understand. Like I have to use a half, then boom, this. They should have added a example like option, like when I'm asking the AI. When I'm asking ChatGPT, it asks me question back that if I want example as well. I think Google should add this attribute, this feature as well. I got a little thirsty. Here is an example linking to. Okay, add an anchor element after the paragraph. Okay. Boom. 2/www dot freeCodeCamp.org. Now close. Is it a void element? The A feels like a void element to me, but I don't know. What did I do wrong? HTTPS, they have HTTPS www. freeCodeCamp.org. I'm not. I can't understand what's wrong. Your anchor element should. I'm I'm messing this up over and over again. I'm using the example code and copy and pasting it. Even my mind uses this color, and I'm messing this up. This is my second time. Free cats photo. Okay, I see it doesn't also have. Pardon my English. I'm not a great speaker, but I hope this journey will help you. A link's text must be placed between the opening and the closing tags of an anchor element. Got it. I should invest a lot of time on my typing as well. Add the word simmer before the anchor element in our. Where is in our gallery? Okay, here see more and in our gallery. And here we go. I have to do another space and another space. Still wrong. What I'm doing wrong? I'm not getting it. Okay. See more. Okay. Oh. Shift S. Okay. Step 13. Add p text to turn see more. This is getting complicated now. I can use the p paragraph element to. So this a anchor can be used inside a paragraph group. Interesting. That's why I love freeCodeCamp. It's so easy to learn. Turn the existing text cute case into an anchor element that links to. What does that even mean? I'm quite understanding. Before turn the existing. Okay, I got it. I need some sleep right now. Sleep deprived. Now I did type A. I need sleep, man. Okay. Oh shit. I'm pronouncing it wrong, that's why I'm typing it wrong as well. Okay. 60% complete. This will be my last step. We will be continuing from step 16 in the next video. To open links in a new tab, you can use the target attribute on the anchor element. The target attribute specifies where to open link document. Okay. Target blank opens the linked document in a new tab or window. Here is the basic syntax for an A element with a target attribute. A herf, boom, target blank. Add a target attribute with a value blank. Easy. Did I miss something? Nah. Okay, see you guys in the next video. I hope you're enjoying my journey, and I hope you will also fulfill your freeCodeCamp curriculum. What curriculum you're using? The Odin project, the freeCodeCamp. There's several. You may be learning DAV or DSA. I don't know, but best of luck, man.